Banks FX. Lord Banks FX welcomes you to this live stream of live Forex trading. A whole 3 hours of news.
We begin with that wild ride on Wall Street.
You're seeing new record highs on the S&P and NASDAQ.
Interviews.
Some will make money, some will lose money, but that's just the way the markets always work.
Analysis and live trades. So sit back, lock in, and load up your trading terminals. And let's get this rocket to blast off. Introducing your host, Lord Banks FX. Prepare for launch in 3, 2, 1.
On my mic. What's good, everybody? What's good? What's good? What's good? Welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex. Let's get it. Let's get it. I know you guys can't see my charts, huh? Damn. Why the hell is it doing this? Okay, hold on a second. I'm telling you, man, I've been having like issues left and right. 1 second, guys. There we go. All right, cool. All right. Let's get into it, baby. All right, damn, we got like 500 people on TikTok already. They're ready. Let's do top down real quick. I know I'm a little late, guys. Apologize, I was having technical difficulties, but we're ready to go. Let's look at GJ. We're looking at GJ, and we're gonna go ahead and do top down analysis. This was from last week. What we're looking at, remember what we're looking at here. Last week we talked about this channel it was in. It kind of came down, tested this bottom trend line, and then popped up and broke these levels of resistance here. So more than likely expecting kind of like a pullback here and then continuation. It is 137 already, so might have missed the move, but hold on. Let's do how we do clean charts. Straight from price action. Let's look at the weekly top-down analysis. You know how we do. All right, so just look at kind of like the little base that it's been developing here. Paying attention to this weekly candle. The past couple of weeks has been bullish, but more importantly, it has broken through this level. Oh, come on, tool. To this level here. And this is what I was talking about, that I'm expecting a retest here, potentially go higher, right? Okay, let's move down to the daily. Let's look at the daily. What do we see? Previous trading day was bearish here, and then we see here, I mean, honestly, it's just been moving up, right? Like we see the trend completely bullish. That's on the daily. Let's look at the 4 hour, establish our tops and bottoms here. One of the areas I want to pay attention to is right here. And also this little area right here. Because I'm thinking that it might come back to this area before coming up. There's another little area right here. But I'm gonna focus right now on the higher time frames. Let's move down to the 1 hour. This is the level we're at right now. All right, guys. Hey, TikTok, I'll get to you guys here in a second. I'll put the name of the pair here. This is GBP JPY on the 15-minute chart. I know you guys are asking a lot of questions. You guys always ask a bunch of questions, but like I need to do the markup first and then I'll get to it. So I'm not like ignoring you guys. Just give me a second. Honestly, look at this right here. Boom. We break this level right here to the downside. We can catch that retrace. And we'll probably take it down here. Probably like down here. Those are kind of level areas that I want to focus on. If we break, you know, I'm gonna have to look to the left. If we break where we currently are, and then I gotta go like really far back. It's like we're at new highs since like 2016, I think it is. Jesus. Yeah, look, this is where price was back in May of 2016. So we're hitting like new highs, but look at this like resistance right here. I'll pay attention to this resistance right here. This is 4-hour resistance. And then I'm gonna mark this level off because that's 4-hour. Let's go back. Okay. So come down on 15. Yeah, so I have the same level that it's at right now. This level, current level of resistance, it's also 4-hour resistance from back in 2016. So this is why we see all these rejections, right? The spikes right here, spike, rejection. So, and really look at this, actually, on 15. Probably move it here. We have a little range here. I'm gonna delete this. And moving from here down to here, about 15 pips. Not bad range, and then potentially move down to this next level. 48 pips, coming down to here, about 87 pips potentially. If we go up to the top, this is a 4-hour range, so I mean it's obviously a big range, but this is like really heavy resistance that we have to break through. So let's just be patient and wait here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put this on top of the range because I want to break through this resistance. So I'm going to go ahead and set an alarm here, or an alert crossing up to let me know that it's ready to buy. And remember, I don't just jump right in. I read price action whenever we get to it. Moving to the downside, crossing down. This would be a sell. Okay, so there's my setup here, and I'll go ahead and send this out. Copy the link for that, and sending it out into the YouTube chat and the Telegram, the free Telegram. Sending it out to the free Telegram right now as a setup. If you're looking for the links for those, they're all in the description and the bios, guys. Wow, guys, appreciate the love, man. I got 1,600 likes already on TikTok. We just went live. Thanks so much. Appreciate it. Much love, much love. All right. Excuse me. So this is GJ, 15-minute. We're just doing an intraday quick scalp, looking for 10, 15, 20 pips. Remember, it's Monday, guys. We want to take it easy. We're not looking for any kind of big moves today. Volume is just getting started in the market. We have the whole week. Let's not be impatient. Let's be disciplined. Let's make sure it's following all our rules. Make sure we're not, jumping into anything too early. We don't want to take any unnecessary losses. Okay? All right. So now that I got that marked up, this is on the 15-minute. Oh shit, let me move this over here so you guys can see. Sorry. That is on the 15-minute. And yeah, so we're currently waiting on this to basically break out to the upside or to the downside. So this specific strategy, guys, is called the breakout strategy. And what I'm doing here, I'm not waiting for a retest. It's not a break and retest. I'm just waiting for a breakout to catch a quick volume momentum move. It's catching volatility usually at market opens. That's why right now we're waiting for, excuse me, for London time. Right now in London it is 7:45. So we should be kind of close to getting to that level where we'll see that breakout happen. And yeah, we'll just wait it out. Wait it out. Being patient, guys. Being patient. What I'll do now is while I'm waiting on these I have alerts. I'll go ahead and answer some questions. I'll look at your guys' questions here. Let's see on YouTube. We're ready to make some cash. I gotta wait a whole 9 minutes. GJ, let's go. Yeah, hey man. GJ played out at the start of the New York session. Yeah, nice. Still holding GJ from 151.368. Nice. Predicting any big moves? Not really, guys. Remember, guys, I want to reiterate. Our job as traders is not to predict price. Our job as traders is to react to price. Remember, we're not here to predict price. We're only here to react to it. If you I want to force that into your mind, just because the more I force that into your mind, you're going to begin to understand and be more consistent and profitable. Because most people will sit out here and say, oh yeah, I think it's going to go up, I think it's going to go down. Like, nobody can predict price. Price is going to do what it's going to do. You can do fundamental or do technical, whatever you do. You have high probabilities, but you're not going to be able to predict price. So I think that when you put in your mind and you focus on, listen, I'm here to react to what price is doing, you have better chances of being more successful in trading. So you guys want to look at any particular pairs? Get rid of all this stuff here. This was last week. All this stuff down. Well, actually, this was things that should go on the watch list. New week, baby. New week. I mean, I'm feeling good about this week, actually. AUD, USD, Euro, Swiss. What you guys want to see in TikTok? GU, gold. What else? Yeah, I got some people asking me about news and stuff on TikTok. I use Forex Factory. And look, I'll go ahead. I had it on another tab. But what I do is on Forex Factory is I pull this up before I trade, and I just look at the red folders, and I try to avoid being in trades during red folders. So we got one happening at 6 a.m. my time for GBP, and that's what I'll probably be out of trade by then, because my live session stops at 4. So and then I trade New York, but I won't be trading GBP, right? We got some more here in Tuesday, orange, and then a red one here 9 a.m. for USD tomorrow, Tuesday, and Wednesday we got a couple, Thursday couple, Friday we have a couple here too. Got non-farm payroll or non-farm employment, ISM, manufacturing. So I pay attention to, I just use Forex Factory for my news, but I don't trade on fundamental basis. Like I just completely try to avoid that. That is forexfactory.com. It gives you the news. This, what I'm using to chart up is tradingview.com. It's a charting platform. It looks like GJ is trying to push up. It's probably going to come up here and then just melt. Watch. Oh shit! I just moved that. Because I just feel like it's gonna retrace. Like it's probably retrace for London and then New York pump up. That was the same. It was the same move that we talked about last week when we were waiting for the pullback. And it was, remember, I told you guys, yeah, I think it's still bullish, but I think there's gonna be a pullback. Where was it? Right here. Remember this huge move, and it flew up, and then we're like, yeah, we're over here. What was it? I think it was like around here. Yeah, around here, London. Remember? Look, it's right here, 1 a.m. Okay. We're talking about. Look at this huge move that it went to the upside, and I said, yeah, I think it's gonna pull back and then continue. And look at the pullback, and then the continuation. Right. So we have something similar here where we've been pushing up, there's consolidation here. I think there's going to be a pullback and then continuation. So we'll wait on that. Let's see here. Was trading the same pair. Can I ask why you put the range at the top of the candle wick? Because I don't have the next market data for pricing is back in 2016. So I don't have much to go off of for like, what is it, 4, 5, 6 years price data, because there's literally no price at this price since like 2016. So for me, I can't base my analysis on something more recent. So I want to give myself more room, if that makes sense, because like I don't want to put myself in a situation where I get faked out. And in order to do so, I wanted to clear the whole thing, right? This whole zone, this whole thing, like that'll give me confidence in my trade, right? How do you draw the red dot boundary lines? I mean, what is the basis? It's just a range. I'm looking for support and resistance. Like right here, there's support on the 15-minute and this wick to the downside, and then looking to the left, I see that this move here is nothing but green candles. There's wicks to either side, but this is one direction movement. Hopefully that makes sense. Your thoughts on EU? Okay, let's do some charts, guys. EU. Somebody wants to do EU. All right, so you know how we do top-down analysis, clean charts. So go ahead, reset this, clean it all, go on the weekly, see what we see on the weekly. Right away, you know, I'm looking at this little base right here and this rejection right here. So here's the base right here. Here's the rejection happening. But you know, if we're looking at the current trend, we are moving to the downside, right? It looks like we got a little doji here, sign of price exhaustion, potential reversal, moving up to the upside. We go ahead and clear that out. Let's look at the daily. What do we see on the daily? Looks like we might have a little uptrend happening here, but it kind of broke through that. So this could have just been a pullback, and maybe a continuation. It would be important to see what happens at this level right here. I gotta make sure TikTok can see. I keep forgetting that you guys can only see a part of the screen, and I just want to make sure you guys can see it. Okay, so we have this little level of support. So realistically, I would be looking for potentially breaking here, coming back, retesting to go down lower. That's on a higher time frame, right? Because that's where the trend is going. But let's look at the 4 hour and let's see if we can have like some kind of, oh shit, GJ is probably flying. What you doing? Oh no. I fucked up because I didn't put the alert. I wanted to cross up and close, bar close. bar close, not just bar close. Yeah. So I want it to close on the 15-minute, right? So that means it's going to go up and close here. And I already don't even like this candle because it doesn't have a wick to the down to the bottom. So okay, let's continue here. Where were we? On the 4-hour, we're trying to establish some tops and bottoms so we can have maybe a potential trade here, a setup for an intraday trade. Right here, I'm looking at this levels right there, and down here, I'm paying attention to this level here. Okay, so this is kind of our little range here that we have going on. I'm going to move down to the 1 hour just to give us some kind of refinement, and we'll go ahead and cover this and cover this. And that'll be good for there. Move this down a bit here. Oh, okay. Now let's move down to the 30-minute, establish a range here. So the tops and bottoms is our support and resistance, and that's the zone on the 4-hour, right? That basically gives me the room I'm going to play in, right? Now that I've established this zone, this area here is the room I get to play in, right? That's what I like to call it. So this is what I pay attention to. All right, let's look at this here. Hold on a second, I think no. All right. So I would say under here and then look to the left. And what do I see? Really, that's not worth it. That's not worth it. That's not worth it. Down here, now we got some movement. Down here to down here. And to the top side, really, I mean, shit. I think it was like right here, and it already kind of broke out of that. I mean, it's already flying. Like really, the trade, if there was a trade, it's already kind of executed here. Yeah, because I would look at right there as a target, right here, right there. But really, if I look at this on a higher time frame, I'm telling you, I think this is a break, and it's coming back to retest in here before it comes back down lower. Oh. So it might just spike up here and then maybe hit this first level and then come down. But that's what EU looks like for me. And the reason I say break and retest because look at these levels down here. You see that it broke? If I mark this out for you guys, you'll see it better. See that? See how it was trading above here, holding support, holding support, holding support, boom, broke. Now it's coming, retesting this, potentially coming down. Oh shit. I'm gonna look at this real quick. Damn, look at GJ. Jesus. It's all good though. We're not gonna chase any trades. We're not gonna jump into anything. Like we're not gonna let the market force us to make a move, right? So this isn't trading to how I want. I mean, moving trending to how I want. I won't trade it, right? And I think this is. I mean, it's gonna pull back down hard, right? Because the thing is, look, we have no wick to the bottom. We have an impulsive move. It's gonna wick out, especially because of this area that has huge resistance. I mean, it potentially is breaking and may come back just to retest this as support, but it will still come back down. So we'll just watch this for a bit. And there's no way I won't get into this right here. Like if I was looking at this, oh shit, we're talking about 42 pips. 42 pips for about 60 pips, 1.5 risk to reward. Yeah, I'm not really and this is 4 hour target, so like I don't like it. I do not like it. I mean, maybe if it retraces back some, gives me an opportunity, yeah, but I'm not jumping into that. See, this is why I talk about, you know, even just breaking out of this, I wouldn't just take it at face value. Like let's jump into it, because let's watch what happens with this next candle. This is on the 15-minute chart. Let's go. Let's see. Hello, hey, how's it going? What's good? Thank you. Angel, do you ever plan on allowing people to join your live stream? I'm gonna do that for my Learn and Earn people, where I'll do it on Zooms, and then you guys can jump in and we can chop it up. I don't do stocks, guys. This is currency, gold, and commodities. It's what I do. Commodities and indices. Sorry. It's 8 a.m. So this is like the opening right here. This candle is London open. It's happening right now. Yeah, and you know what? Like if you did like pending orders, sometimes like breakout works really nice. Like right here, you would have had a pending order to enter into a buy right here. You would have caught this and all this, but I don't trade pending orders. So personally, I just don't like. So, but I've seen a lot of times, especially with this strategy, that you could have caught, you know, a move. So, and look at this. I mean, this thing is still, even if we would have entered here, would have been in 15 pip profit. Wow. But that 15 pips, like I'm looking to take 10, 15, 20 pips, quick move. Like I'd be risking like 43 pips for that move. It's not worth it to me. Not worth it. What's good, everybody? Morning from South Africa. How's it going? Welcome. Thanks for the love, guys. Thanks for the likes. Thanks for sharing the stream, guys. Damn, I'm getting all these notifications. All you guys are jumping into the Telegram, I see. I have the link to the Telegram is in the bio in the description, so you guys can join that. It's a free Telegram, guys. Free Telegram, free Discord. South Africa was good. No, we're not in a trade, guys. Not in a trade. We're just waiting here. It broke out of our range and it busted up a little bit. But here's the thing, guys. Like, you have to be super disciplined about seeing a move like this and being okay if you miss the move. Like, you can't like beat yourself up, and you can't be putting yourself in a position where emotionally you feel like you missed out. So like having FOMO and then wanting to jump into chase a trade, or feeling like you need to put yourself in a position to the next time skip your rules and don't wait for it to close and jump in, or jump in anyways if the risk reward is off. Like, you have to follow your rules so strictly that it's okay if you miss a move, right? Because a lot of times these things will happen. Like right here, like, man, this would have been awesome if I would have jumped in right here at the bottom and then rode this thing up right now. It would have been about 40 pips in profit. But the thing is this: if I do that, then I'm breaking my rules. And if I break my rules on the next trade, I'm gonna be more comfortable breaking my rules even further. And that's a slippery slope, because one of those times, those rules is what's gonna fuck me. Like, and I tell you guys, because it is, my rules are in place because at some point in my trading career, I've paid the lesson to have that as a rule. Okay, so every time I've taken an L, I made it a rule, and that rule became my lesson because I paid that to the market, right? So I tell you guys this simply because, you know, I know some of you guys may be looking at this move and say, man, I wish we would have caught that. Yeah, it would have been nice, but it didn't match up to my rules to be able to catch that. There was nothing I can do here to catch this. If I come down on the 5 minute, right? Not even, look, 5 minute close right there, and this one just popped up. Like, but I'm trading on the 15. Why would I do that? Why would I bend my rules? Like, and it's still pumping up. And yeah, this would have been hella nice. Like, what is this, 50 pips already? It'd have been hella nice on a freaking Monday. But remember, I'm not gonna break my rules because my rules are in place for a reason. I just want to like let you guys know that it's okay to be in a position where you let a trade go. Do you understand? This market gives unlimited opportunities. Like, it's always gonna have an opportunity to trade. So if we didn't catch this one, we'll catch the next one. It's okay. Don't sweat it. Don't sweat it. Anyways, I just want to say that. Let's answer some questions here, guys. Kevin says the 1 hour for GJ has a bottom wick. Okay. Thrandu says, how do we find the right time to draw the 2 red dot lines? I do it on the 15 minute. What the fuck is this candle? Yeah, but candle closure is more important. Yeah, exactly. Like, this is the market like tricking you guys. Like, you're gonna feel like, oh man, I wish would have caught this. Like, yeah, that would have been nice. It's gonna be like almost 80 pips now. What is it, like 58 from the break? 60 pips from the break. Jesus. That's crazy, but it is what it is. Like, let's not it didn't do what we wanted it to do. It didn't make match up to our rules, so we're gonna let it go. Discipline is a key ingredient in succeeding on Forex trading. Yes sir. Omamba J on TikTok. Damn, we're at 6,500 likes, guys. My personal like best record, I guess, on TikTok for likes, I think we got like 14,000 or 15,000 likes like last week. It was like amazing, right? Can I jump in now? No, dude. Fuck no. Why would you jump in now? Please don't. Like, if you look at this, guys, come on. First of all, if you see a move like this, don't jump in to the same direction. Like, if you're being risky, jump in taking it to the opposite direction, but don't jump in. Like, I would never jump in here and be like, let's buy it. Like, this, you see this move, right? Like, it's gonna start exhausting and wicking, and then maybe create some support or pull back. Like, just chill out. Don't be impatient, man. It's barely Monday, guys. Like, chill out. Anthony says, do you have a rule sheet I can download? I will in my course, baby. I'm having that. Pre-sale is coming out Friday. So pre-sale drops on Friday. You'll have access to the intro, and it's gonna, the way the course is gonna work is gonna be a drip campaign. So basically, you have to go through the whole entire lesson plan, lesson by lesson, and you have to pass the assessment. Because I'm not just putting out videos out there and having you guys like look at the videos. Like, I want people to learn this stuff. So you gotta have pass 85% on the assessment, and then it'll let you go to the next assessment. The Learn and Earn will have access. The Learn and Earn actually gets they're gonna get VIP member pricing, and you guys will get it at a considerable discount. Actually, I had the pricing my team sent me. Okay, so the VIP Learn and Earn members are gonna get the course for $150. The pre-sale on Friday is gonna be at $250, and then the normal course, once it's released to the public, is gonna be at $750. So I would definitely recommend, if you're not in the Learn and Earn, jump in there. You get it at $150, and you know it's forever. You're gonna be in there. And the people that do the pre-sale, you get it at a better price as well. But all that stuff is in the links, guys, and I don't want to really like be going over that too much in here because I'm not trying to push that on you guys. Like, I've created it because it's been requested of me, and it's just really to, you know, be able to compensate for my time and compensate for, you know, what it cost me to put out there, right? Man. Whew. Yeah. And you know what? This might have had done. This might have. I don't want to say this was like. If we look at this area here. Look at this. You see this top area of GJ here, and you see this like break and retest, hold support here. Like, this could have been the retest here, low, higher low, and boom. But I wasn't really paying attention to this area here. I was just looking at that. Anyways, where do I go to start this? So the intro course, guys, is like introduction to trading for all the newbie people that are, because I have like a lot of people jumping on the TikTok asking like, oh, I want to know how to do this. What is this? I know many of you guys that are on my YouTube and on my Telegrams and stuff, you guys already like know trading and you're just looking to be profitable and consistent. But there's a lot of people too that want to get into this world and they don't know where to start. So I created the intro to trading, which is basically walking through the history of Forex, what it is, how it is, what it does, how to do it, and setting up a broker, and you know, being able to get you to the point where you can take a trade. And then the course starts with actual, like, you know, doing analysis, what you're looking at, how to do it, like what you're looking for, lessons, rules, course materials, like those printouts that you're gonna have, chart patterns and stuff like that. So, and I've been like, man, I've been busting my ass on this, like working on it. Like, I spent like, what's it, on Saturday, I spent like 16 hours just working on the course, like all day. But I mean, I'm excited. Like, I look at it like, this is my first like course that I'm making, so like, you know, I haven't like done a course before, but doing this course, like, it's when I'm watching it afterwards and putting it together, like, I'm excited for you guys because like, I wish I had something like this when I like was, you know, learning how to trade. Like, I let the market be my teacher and I paid the market a shit ton of money, man. Like, so, you know, I mean, I'm excited for you guys. Zebra made 2.5K on GJ. Nice. Congrats, brother. Angel, if I buy lifetime, what do I get? So if you buy the lifetime learn and earn, here's the things that you're going to be getting. You get the trade ideas that I sent out. The entries and the exits, the multiple TP levels, London and New York sessions when the trades are, and they're going to be intraday trades, swing trades. I sent out breakdown analysis and chart markups for that. Additionally, you're going to have access to all the recorded and future webinars that I'm going to be doing, and you're going to get the VIP member pricing on all my courses. So as the courses come out, you'll always have the VIP member pricing for that. You won't pay the full price that it'll be on the actual course. And you'll also get added to the private Q&A Discord chat. So if you have questions and you're in the lifetime, you can jump into the Discord and ask and stuff. That right now, I had some technical issues that I'm trying to fix so I can bring all my learn and earn people into there. And at the same time, I'm going to switch the live streams that I'm doing now, where I'm doing, I trade during the week, like all week London session with you guys live on YouTube and TikTok. And I'm just going to do maybe like once or twice a week. And then the rest of the time, I'm going to do exclusively for my learn and earn people. And then on top of that, what I'm going to do is create some challenges where we do small account flips, like small accounts, and moving into growing them into bigger accounts and compounding them. And I'm going to open up a where we'll take a prop firm challenge together. So if you guys want to do like, you know, one of those $100,000 challenge or whatever, like we'll start one at a certain date. I'll give you guys some time so you guys can purchase a prop firm challenge, and then we'll come in, and in that challenge I'm going to be telling you guys what you know, what lot size to take, where multiple levels can be, where we can scale in, how we can add on positions, take off positions. It's a lot more trade management, because in the prop firm challenges, it's a little tricky because you have your parameters that you have to like hit. And I know a lot of people have difficulty in passing those challenges. I've passed multiple challenges. It's totally possible. You can make it happen. So I'm going to be offering that. Those things are going to be in the Learn and Earn as well. So those, just keep in mind, that's what you're going to get in the Learn and Earn. Right now, there's some things on there, but it's not even done. Like, and I think the lifetime is already closed. It should be closed, because this was the last weekend offering it, because it's at 180. I think it might still be open. Maybe it closes tomorrow. I don't know. I have this thing set up on automated. I have to check it, but it's 180 right now. But the price is going to go up because of all the extra stuff that I'm going to be including, and the course that's going to be coming out and stuff like that. So right now, if you're interested in the Learn and Earn the lifetime, it is at 180. But Friday, when I do the pre-sale for the course, I know for sure Friday it's going up to 300. So the lifetime, when I offer it again, it will be at 300. It won't be at 180 anymore. So it's like gonna almost double in price. But I mean, I've told you guys plenty of times, like if you haven't jumped in, it's on you, man. I'm sorry. Like, and I get like people reach out to me like, hey, can you wait till Friday? Like, I'm getting paid this and that. And like, I mean, I'm trying to be accommodating. Like, there's people in like different countries that they're having issues with their cards because of the countries. I even turned on like crypto payments, so I'm accepting crypto payments now. Bitcoin, Litecoin, Ethereum, and I think XRP, maybe, I don't know. But you know, these things are to accommodate you guys, but at the same time, like, I can't keep going back. Like, as I'm offering more things that take more time and cost me more money, like the price is just going to go up. Like, it's just what it is. So hopefully you guys can jump in there and take advantage of that. So I know I got a bunch of people who were signing up this weekend. Raf can, yes. Already bought lifetime, yes sir. More exciting stuff, yes. FX Bounty Hunter, I know you're in there already. That's dope as fuck, flipping the accounts together, yes sir. I know you guys probably see a lot of people do that online. You guys see like the YouTube videos and like people share like results, but I don't see people helping other people actually do it, right? And it's, understand one thing, like when you're flipping accounts, like you're gonna be using higher risk than normal because you have a small account. You'll trade quick scalps and smaller like take profits than normal, because really it's just about taking quick profits. The first few trades you need to get, like, I mean, I did a $10 to $1,000 and $10 to, or $1,000 to 10,000, but you know, it takes a lot of like practice and skill to be able to do so, because we're like literally taking like maximum amount of scalps, stacking trades, and leveraging like a motherfucker, like especially with the $10 account. Like, it's not easy. It is you know, something that you have to have a skill to do. But that's what we'll be doing, and I'll be just sending that out for whoever wants to participate in it to my Learn and Earn people, right? So you have to be in the Learn and Earn for that. So yeah, because I know, like, you know, some of you guys may be starting with smaller capital, right? And I mean, I'm all here for, I feel like if you're a good trader, the size doesn't matter, the capital doesn't matter. Like, yeah, when you have a higher capital amount, risk is less, and it's easier to make bigger moves and stuff because the risk is less. But you can still trade a smaller account. Like, there's no excuse, is what I'm saying. Like, you can't be like, oh, I'm not making any money because I don't have enough capital. That's not a good excuse because you're not making any money because you lack the skill set. That's what it is. Like, you may win here and there, but if you're not consistent and profitable, if you have a small account, you understand it's a game of probability, right? It's a game of numbers. So in trading, you trade a certain amount of time, you're going to win a certain amount of time, and you're going to lose a certain amount of time. But when you have a smaller account size, you don't have that many opportunities of trading. So the ones that you do trade, you have to be on point with and make sure you're winning. So sometimes it's a matter of taking trades and closing out before you're getting your take profit, and all those kind of things I'm going to walk you through in the challenges, right? I'm going to tell you guys, I'm going to be in constant communication, letting you guys know, hey, I'm looking at the charts, I'm getting ready for a trade, I'm looking at this. That way you can participate in that and do it together, right? Otherwise, what's the point? Like, I don't need to flip a small account. I mean, I'm trying to do it to help those, right, that need it. Let's see here. Answer some questions here. Man, you guys are like, it's like a bunch of messages. Damn, we're like 8,200 likes here. Everybody in TikTok is saying sell. No, bro. Look, so we're not going to enter right away. What we're looking for now at this point is we're looking for the pullback, create a level of support, and then seeing if it's going to come and break the level, the high. And if it creates a lower high, then maybe come down to create a lower low, come back, retest, come back to this point before it pops up. Like, it could do many different things. So I'm just watching right now the chart, because this move happened outside of like what we're trying to do here. More than likely what I'm looking for is going to be some kind of movement back to here to then potentially go higher, right? That's what I'm kind of looking at. Anyone use pocket options here? No, I don't know what that is. Appreciate you, Banks 100. Hey, I'm here for it, brother. Antonio in YouTube. I'm trying to do things that I don't see being done. I'm trying to do those, fill in the gaps, and I'm trying to make sure that I set you guys up for success. Like, I've seen people that, like, I've heard of people that put out things, and people tell me they're bad experiences, and I listen to that. Like, I listen to why was it bad and how could it be better, because those are the kind of things I'd like to fill in the gap for you guys. Yes, I'm aware the lifetime is still open right now. I can't close it, like, it's on my phone, so I have to I mean, whoever's jumping in right now, you guys are looking out, because it's still at the old price right now and I can't close it. But as soon as I get off the live, I'll close it down, and it'll be at the new price when I offer it again, because I probably won't open it till next month, guys. Is my birthday in April, and the lives, like, I'm gonna be doing them from my laptop. It might not be like with this whole setup, like, but I'll do lives off my laptop, and because I travel, I usually take the month of April to travel for my birthday, and I'm gonna be on the road, so I don't have this like whole setup like I have here. Just, you mind guess up or down? I don't. What does that mean? I don't know. So not the best way to trade in your opinion? I don't know what you mean, bro. Like, what are you talking about? Binary options? I don't trade options. I trade Forex, commodities, and indices. I invest in cryptocurrency and I have a portfolio for stocks. I prefer blue chip and dividend stocks. I do have some in emerging markets and like AI, AR, and VR. I think that where the world is going, I mean, I've been heavily invested in that the past 5 years, and we see a lot of like the whole metaverse stuff happening now, and I think that's going to play a huge role. So I have that like long term. Can you trade for me live? I am from South Africa. Yeah, I mean, I'm trading live right now. Like, what do you mean? I don't know. How much more live can I get, guys? I'm streaming on YouTube, but I'm streaming on TikTok. If you want to come see me, come see my face, come to YouTube. Like, I'm here. On YouTube, you can see the whole chart. You can see me. On TikTok, you guys just get like a little bitty thing, but you know. Oh, your own money? Nah, I don't trade people's money. I do not do that, dude. I do not trade people's money. On the platform, on the lifetime, what platform do you use for the signals? It's Telegram. I tried out using Discord for a little while, but people were like reaching out to me telling me that they weren't always getting the notifications. So Telegram has literally been the only thing that's been, as like soon as I send it out, everybody like gets the notification and they're getting it. So that's why I moved to Telegram, because like I said, on Discord some people just weren't getting the notification, or it was delayed, or I don't know what's going on with that. Like it's not consistent, I guess, with the connectivities thing. So I'd rather use Telegram because it's more like kind of quick and direct. So I'm a new trader. How does gold and a GBP USD correlate? Why does it have to correlate, bro? Like, I mean, you're talking about like, yeah, there could be a chance that there's some correlation at times, but I mean, how does it correlate? It may be with the US dollar. It correlates because when gold goes up, the dollar goes down. Dollar goes up, the gold goes down. You know, I don't know. Like I know AUD, USD, and gold correlate a lot, but I don't focus on that stuff. Like you're not trying to make a decision on one pair based on another pair. Don't do that. That's what I'm trying to get to. Right. Jojo, do you ever go live via Zoom? I'm going to be doing that for my Learn and Earn members. Like I said, I'm not going to be doing lives on YouTube and TikTok like all week long. I'm just going to do like 2, and then the other things I'm going to do, the other days I'm going to do Zooms with the Learn and Earn members. Because I was looking into the Discord lives and the Telegram lives. Like, that shit is the tech is spotty and it doesn't work efficiently. Zoom is like the only like okay thing, I guess, because it's a matter of like, if I'm doing it for the Learn and Earn members, I don't want it to be like shared out and like, you know, redistributed to other people. Like, it's not fair to the people that are paying for it. So, you know, I think the best way to do that is going to be, because I could do like a YouTube live, but then it would be like a private link. And oh man, what's going on? Is my, hopefully, I don't know what the hell's going on. I think my internet just went out. No, I'm connected. Can you guys still see me? Not on TikTok.
Hello, motherfucker.
Guys, and another thing, like, I know, like, with more like people that are jumping on my lives and subscribing to my YouTube and then like coming on my videos here, please be careful with these people. Like, there's like comments on here where they're like, hey, I've been trading with so-and-so, follow this person. Like, total spammy comments. Like I'm looking at TikTok right now, and somebody's trying to convince this other person to manage their money. Like, guys, don't do that. Like, please don't get scammed. Like, there's already like fake profiles being made, and like I'm not responsible for that. Like, if you don't hear me and see me, don't fucking do it. Like, please. Like, I mean, I don't want you to get scammed and then come to me and they're like, hey, what the hell? And that's not me, man. Like, so, damn, you guys are going crazy on this Telegram. Anyways, I'm in. I just bought the lifetime. We'll only be starting the private lives. The private lives will start next month in April. Yeah. So at the end of this week, like it'll probably be next week. USD CAD analysis. All right, let's do some analysis, guys. I'm tired of talking about all this other nonsense. Like, let's look at charts. Let's do some analysis. Let's have a good time. Good time, good time. All right, top-down analysis. We start with the weekly. We go ahead, delete everything. What are we looking at? What we're looking at here is just getting a sense of like what price has been doing currently, our current trend, which on USD CAD, it's been moving to the downside, okay? So what we're looking at here is the last level of support as well. What we see here that it's breaking at the moment. So potentially this could be a break and a retest for a continuation to go down lower, potentially on a higher time frame. So what do we do is keep that in mind. We move down to the daily, and then we want to look at the current trend here. So what do we see? We see movement to the downside, bearish candles for multiple days here, but we see small volume, right? We see small volume. So we want to keep that in mind, because potentially what we could be doing is hitting a bigger level of support before we get a really nice big move to the upside, right? So potentially this could, if we start seeing breaks and creation of new highs, we can see a nice big candle to the upside, matching this level to test this level of resistance at the top, right? So now let's move down to the 4 hour and establish our tops and bottoms so we can get a range to potentially day trade this, right? So right away, what I want to look at here is this level here, the top, and then the bottom down here where it's currently at. I'm going to move down to the 1 hour just to refine this a bit. Refine this just a bit here. Okay, I like that. I like that. Okay. Now let's move down here to look at a potential range. What we'll do is move down to the 15-minute and let's establish some kind of range here. So we know this thing has been moving to the downside. We have this moving to the downside. We have this pull back up. So this point right here, we could now begin our continuation to the downside, potentially, right? Keep that in mind. And then let's look at this. Boom. Right here, we measured this range. Is this worth it? We do have a wick there that we have to pay attention to, and then our first stop right here is about 4 pips. It's not really worth it. So we continue to move this thing down. Where's the next level? Boom, right here. Okay. And we have these nasty wicks right here. This looks disgusting, so I wouldn't even trade it down there. Maybe down here, boom, breaking at this level. What is our range here? We have a range down to here, about 12 pips. This one's tough. I probably wouldn't take this. Why? Because we have this huge level of support where more than likely we'll have price come down and it could break, but then like reject, and then pop up, right? So what would I do in this situation is I would go ahead and mark this up here, but keep in mind I want to read price action with what's happening here to see, do we have volume to the downside to break? Am I feeling like it's gonna, like reading it, is it gonna break, or do I see it rejecting and potentially reversing, right? So then let's establish our top here is right here. So breaking above there, we have boom, target there, and boom, target there. These are the things I'm targeting here, these tops. and another target there. Boom. So our move would be really nice to the top if we could break out. If we break out to the top, we would take that trade there. And if we're measuring the range, our first target here is about 11 pips, not bad. Next level here is going to be about 27 pips, and then the level above that is about 50 pips. So that would be nice. That gives us a better kind of overall picture, but keep in mind that would be a complete reversal. A reversal, because remember, on the weekly, daily, 4-hour, everything is moving down. So the trend is moving down. But what's going to be super important for us is going to be what's going to happen here. What's going to happen in that level of support. Okay, so keep that in mind before you start taking sales. Read what's happening when it breaks here, but this is a potential setup for you. And I'll go ahead and send this chart out. And I'll mark this up as well as a potential trade idea here. Boom. And I'm sending this out to the chat. It's out. It's out in the chat, and I'm sending it out to the Telegram. This was USD CAD. USD CAD setup. Boom. Out. Yeah, so I know. Look, don't confuse yourself. Like, the trend is a sell. The trend is, bearish. But here's the thing. Price reverses and price pulls back. So a pullback on a 4-hour, look at this. A pullback on a 4-hour could very well be just a retest of this level of support. Do you see that? You see that, right? So even though we are in sales, or we are in a downtrend, we're moving down. Trend is your friend. You want to trade with your the way the trend is going. Understand that pullbacks happen. Look at this: pullback, 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 pullback. Like, the pullback can come in to retest this level of support, which is resistance now. So this pullback here is a move. You can catch pips right here, right? So it's okay if you want to take that trade, if it matches up to your rules and parameters and your setup, right? Now, if you're going to catch a reversal, the reversal itself, you have a potential to go all the way up to the top level here. You can catch a reversal coming right here all the way up here. Now, obviously, it's not going to be like a straight arrow like that, right? It more than likely is going to be, something like that over time, right? A swing trade. Like, nothing, the market doesn't move like that. The market moves like that, right? So maybe you have something that looks like this. It looks like this over time. Watch. See how this matches up? Boom. See? Like, because the market moves in waves, guys, waves. It goes down, goes up. So maybe the market starts moving like this if it respects this level of support, because this is the bottom zone. This is the bottom zone. If it respects it, which it has in the past, it will continue up. But it can also just completely break it and move to the downside, and you can have something like this. See how it breaks, retests, boom, melts. This is the two predictions right here. You can have this or you can have this. Okay. Either one of these, you can have it up or down. All right, let me go ahead and delete this stuff because this is too messy for me. I like clean charts. Clean charts. Go back down on the 15 and yeah. Anyways, that's a setup for USD CAD. You guys wanted to see something else? Let's see here. Who else was asking for something? Just bought lifetime. Congrats. Yeah, lifetime, guys. As soon as I get off the live stream, I'm taking the lifetime down because the price is going up to 300 because the pre-sale goes live on Friday. So I got to make sure everything's in place. So last time to get in at 180. Let's see here. Gold. You guys want to look at gold, NZD CAD. Let's see what else. Yes, I trade gold. I trade metals. Yeah, Banks, make your YouTube videos with the ability to download. Sometimes I'm in Wi-Fi zone and busy. Okay, can I don't. I'll look into it, and I mean I don't have a problem with that. But yeah, I'll look into that. Doing the so you can download it. New support, USD ruble. Oh no, that one's a mess, dude. I'm not even looking at that. GJ want to go short now? No, we're not. We're waiting. Okay, so yeah, it says, yeah, I did USD CAD already. Where did I learn? I learned in the markets, baby. Like I raw dogged it, man. I just learned in the markets and let the markets teach me, right? Like it was, you know, it was rough. Look at this level though, man. Like look how fucking, like, just what is this? The high was 162.837 and I have it at 162.881. What's going on, Miguel? Doing good. All right, so I'm trying to understand volume. Is that the amount of trades? Yes, it's the amount of orders being placed, right? So like think about it like this: the volume is the size of the candle. So this size of the candle is smaller than this size of the candle, so this has more volume than this one. So there's more people buying this in this time frame than in this one. That makes sense. It's crazy. Have you seen the daily trend on Euro AUD? It's crazy how it keeps melting for day after day. Yeah, I mean it can do that, bro. We're in crazy times right now, especially with the whole like war stuff. So I would not put it past anybody. Thank you, brother. Hey, most welcome. What did I miss? Euro USD just came in. Yes, I sent it out in the chats. Bro, can you explain how demand zone draw with candles? Demand zone. Well, and I've gone over this. This is like a little hack, guys. I've gone over before, and I'll go over it once again here. Let's look at this one right here. I'll delete the charts. And easiest way to find zones, and I mean they're called demand zones, supply zones, support zones, resistance zones, key levels, like just areas of interest, guys. Areas of interest where price has reaction. Okay, easiest hack right here. I'm going to show you guys, and this is super important, so write this down. Pay attention. If you have trouble finding these areas, change your chart to a line chart, okay, and look at where multiple points are. Okay, multiple points in the tops and bottoms, right? So here, if we're just looking at this, look, you see this bottom here? Boom. Look, bottom. Okay, and what happens here? There's price reaction. Price touches here, it goes up. If we move it to the left, do we continue to get reaction? This was support. Look at here. Resistance. Continue to move it. Resistance. Support. Continue to move it. Support. So we're back in 2019, and this level has reaction to the price. You see that? Okay. So now I know that this level is important. Now I can take this line chart and change it back to candles. Boom. And we good to go, baby. We good to go. I just gave you guys a little hack. Congratulations, you just learned how to draw levels. Easy as that, baby. All right, let's look at a chart. What do you guys want to look at? Gold? You guys want gold? Damn, we're at like 10,000 likes already on TikTok. What's up, YouTube? You guys are slacking. Only got 17 likes, man. Come on, man. There's like 30 plus people on here. Let me get a like. Let me get a like. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, guys. Make sure you hit that notification bell. On TikTok, I just found out you guys can tap on my profile and make sure you turn on notifications, so you want to know when I go live. Make sure you have that notification on, so whenever I go live, it's for you know, trading. Okay. All right, let's look at gold, because I know a lot of you guys were asking for that. Put this as a potential trade idea. Let's go. Delete the charts. You know how we do. Jojo says, what tells us which way it will go once it hits that support? Are we breaking or are we rejecting? That's what you got to pay attention to. If we're breaking through, then it's gonna break through the support, continue to go down, potentially come back and retest it, solidify as new resistance, and then you can take a short. If it's rejecting, then look for break of market structure to the upside and jump in for a buy. Simple as that. Okay, so let's look at this on the weekly. What do we see? This is gold. Okay, gold has been pushing up. Okay, but it looks like here, what I really don't like is this whole thing right here. I don't like the way that moves, because it's iffy. Oh shit. Let me get. It's iffy because of this. First of all, we hit new highs here. Okay, and this is where it rejected. So here's the new high, right? And then we came over here and rejected it. Okay, so it is moving up on the weekly, but it had a strong rejection there. Looks like it formed some support here, right? Some support on the weekly, and this could potentially start going up. The only thing is last week's candle closed an inside bar inside of this bearish candle. So meaning the sellers won on this and the buyers regain control, but they couldn't match what the sellers did the previous week. Okay, for me, that is a sign that potentially we're going to continue to go lower, right? So what's going to be important is looking at this level here around 1920 to see if we start breaking below that. I would start paying attention for sales. If we break below 1912.23, then there's like potential impulse entries where you can take to the next level here about 1888. We break 1888, shit, we might come all the way down here to 1791, but that is looking at it on weekly, right? That's just to get a sense of where price is going. What we're looking at right now is like, it's telling me, everything is telling me that this is going to be potentially going down lower. So let's look at the daily. Daily, very similar stuff here. The only thing here is we have this consolidation area. See this box here? We have this consolidation where it popped out and it's popping in. And gold is notorious for that, where it likes to pop out of its consolidation areas just to grab liquidity and volume and then pop back in. So just keep that in mind, that gold does that. But we do have this level of support right there. It's going to be important to see if we start breaking below that, and then maybe we start establishing new lows, and we start, you know, the pattern where, you know, it's going to be a low and then come back to retest and then come back lower and then come back, you know, and then come back lower, right? You start trending to the downside. So we want to pay attention to that. We're still biased, right? Our bias is still trending to the downside, weekly, daily, and let's look at the 4 hour. So 4 hour here, like I said, over here the price was way over here, that's still same area. So I'll go ahead and put my top levels here, this top area. Boom, boom, and then our level of support down here. I want to pay attention to this area right here, because if I move it to the left, I'll see that all these candles are within this, so it's a lot of consolidation, right? Still very important area, still holding a support, pushed up, held support, pushed up, held support, pushed up. So now it's coming down to that point. And really what I'm looking at here on the 4-hour, and let me see if you guys can see the pattern that I'm starting to see right here. Tell me if you guys know what I see right here. What is this pattern called? Somebody tell me. Somebody in the chat, tell me what this pattern is called. What is this pattern? Who knows what this pattern is? Bearish flag, baby. There we go. Bearish flag. So the expectation is what? Right? So if the bullish candle goes up really high, does that mean the volume will drop significantly? No, depends where it closes, right? Because you may have like just a wick, and depending on what time frame. Excuse me. Anyway, so that's what we're seeing on the 4-hour right now. If you're trying to establish some kind of day trade for this, you're gonna move down to a smaller time frame. But now that we have our zones established here in the 4-hour, we'll move to the 1-hour just to refine this just a bit here. Okay, and let's move down to the 15-minute. Actually, on the gold, I like the 30-minute. 30-minute will suffice. So right now, it looks like it broke just below here, and this would have probably been a good sell right there. But to the upside, really, I mean,
Hello, motherfucker.
there is this little range here, but I don't think I would buy this. This is too small of a range for me. I would probably wait till up here, because this could just pop up to retest this area. But breaking above here, we have nice movement, nice chart movement till up here. That's going to be our first target, and then, you know, our next target right there. But that's if we're moving to the upside. But to the downside here, we broke this little level of support. Looks like we already pushed down a bit, and to the left it looks really nice. I would have been looking to trade this to about right there. And damn, gold is starting to move really nice. I think I'm gonna start trading gold more. Sometimes you gotta give pairs a rest just to let them start trending nicely. So first target here about 50 pips, second target about 85, third is about 171. And what does this match up with if we go to the downside? This matches up with our analysis on the weekly, daily, 4-hour, 1-hour that were to the downside, right? Trending to the downside. So right now this could just be a break and retest here. And really, like, you'd probably want to be careful with, you know, spiking up. So maybe put your stops like above this area, and then target down here. That would be kind of a nice setup here. And I'll send this out to the chat, taking the link, sending it out to the chat. Good morning, good morning. Welcome to the show. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex. And I'm not going to say all week because I'm not going to do that anymore. After next week, this week will be the last week I'm doing live trading all week. Next week I'll only be live trading 2 days with you guys, and the rest of the week with my Learn and Earn members. If you guys are looking to jump into that Learn and Earn, all the links are in my bio. This is gold. Gold setup. Yeah, because I'm going to be doing private live streams with them. This is gold, guys. I just sent out that setup. So that's gold. Let's go back to GJ. Look at that. You see? Somebody was in the chat telling me, oh, so should we sell this now? Remember I said no? Why? Because look at this. Look at that. Patience, baby. Who else trades smart money concepts? I don't trade smart money concepts. I don't know how that works. Oh God, another mentor. Nowadays, everyone is a Forex mentor. No, I'm just trading, and I mean sharing my life. So you guys can trade along with me or not. Kids around here without a knowledge, LOL. How much have you earned today? I haven't even traded today. It's Monday. I haven't jumped into anything today. The best strategy there is. I don't know what that is. Check Euro USD, bro. I already did. I sent out the chart for that. Look, it's breaking to the downside. So we start trading at 1. Okay. So we had broke below that before, or that was the top. Yeah, that was the top. So it broke out to the top here, but remember I said I'd be careful because of this level, and look at that. This level of resistance, it's rejected it and it's pushing down. So really now you have some nice movement here below here. If we look to the left, yeah, look to the left down here, yeah, and then move it maybe just a tad bit down. We break and close below there. You have a target right here. Boom. Okay. There you go. People will always hate, bro, until you match your bank accounts and they also want to get a piece. Yeah, man, I think it's hilarious. I think it's hilarious when new people jump on and they automatically assume, and I get it because there's a lot of like horrible people in this industry that are just network marketers and selling you your repackaged dream. But I'm not doing that. I'm not here like telling you guys, you know, you're gonna be rich and a millionaire tomorrow. It's gonna take time. You're gonna have to like put in the work to figure out the skill, learn the skill, refine the skill, become good, and then over time compound your account if you have small capital. But like that's all part of the game. Like it's totally possible. It's totally a reality. You can do it. Like I've done it. I know multiple people that have done it, but you can't come into this thinking about, oh, I'm trying to make, you know, $100,000 tomorrow or $1 million tomorrow. Like that's the easiest way. Like if you come in here focused on the money, you will never have the money. Okay. You come in here focused on the skill, you will build the skill, you will refine the skill, and that skill becomes a way to pay yourself forever. Okay. So you take it how it is, take it how you want. I'm not gonna argue with you guys, and I'm not here to you know, respond to negativity because you know, I could say things and then I say something and then you guys go and report me to TikTok and they ban me for for bullying and harassment or something like that, and then I can't go live and help the people that are actually here to get some help. Because I know, you know, some of you guys can't like come in here and you know, I know I have like VIP services and stuff, and some of you guys can't afford it, so that's why I want to do the lives as well, so like you guys can at least benefit from those, right? Banks, please, can you look at GA? Sure thing. Damn, we're at 12,400 likes on TikTok. Wow, you guys are crazy. I appreciate it though. Much love, much love. Thanks for sharing the stream. Oh, finally our likes went up on YouTube. Thanks, guys. All right, let's look at GA for the homie here on TikTok. Where is GA? Let's see. Where the hell is GA? Damn, GA's way down here because I haven't traded in a while. GA, let's look at it. Okay, let's reset the chart. Let's go ahead, clean charts, straight price action, no foo-foo here. Top down analysis, looking at the weekly. This thing is just melting, looking for some kind of level of support. Ooh, it looks like just about there on the weekly. Looking nice, looking nice. So potentially, you know, depending on how it reacts in this level, could go up. I mean, it could melt too. So all right, let's look at the daily. Look at the daily. Looking at the daily. What do we see? All right, so daily here, looks like we had some level of support, that it was broken. Past few days been bearish. Potentially this thing could just have been broken here, come back to retest, then go down lower. That could be the move. Keep that in mind. Let's move down to the 4 hour. And what do we do in the 4 hour? In the 4 hour, we're going to establish our tops and our bottoms. Okay, tops and bottoms. So we zoom out a bit here so we can look at the bigger picture. We do see tops there. We're going to look at the bottoms here, just about where we are right now. So move down to the 1 hour just to refine our tops and bottoms. Refine, refine, refine. Okay, I like that. Okay, move here. Oh shit. Okay, that looks good there. That looks good there. All right, so now we're gonna move down to the 15-minute just to establish a range here to see if we have any kind of intraday or day trading that we could potentially do. I mean, shit, I wouldn't take any sells here just yet, just because we're at this important key level of resistance. On the 4 hour, we have this support being established there. We do have this top area here. If we break above this, we start to break market structure. We can have targets at the next level here. We can have next target level here, and next target level here, next target level here. Boom. At the end of the day, you know, you can see this probably move if we start trending to the upside, breaking market structure, coming back to retest, breaking, creating a new high, coming down to retest, and then continue to do so until we reach our next zone, which is way up here, way up here, way up here, way up here, way up here. You see that? So we have quite a bit of ways to go. Obviously, we do have some levels here, right? We have another level over here, right? So we can definitely keep those in mind as we move through here. At each individual level, you know, I would read price action, see if it's a continuation, potential scaling positions to continue up if you're looking to scale it. But here's targets for you at the current moment. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of this. Like I said, I wouldn't look for a sell on this unless it did something like this, break, and then wait for a retest of this area before jumping in to a sell. Okay, so just keep that in mind. I'll go ahead and send this chart out. GA, sending it to your way. GA, send it to the YouTube chat, sending it to the Telegram chat. All right, this is GBP AUD setup. Cool. All right. London, New York. Also, hey, if you do have the Candlestick Bible, kindly share. I don't know who that is or what that is. Thank you, Banks, much appreciated. Hey, you're welcome, Blue Black 96 on TikTok. Let's see here. Angel says if gold drops, is AUD USD gonna drop as well? Since Australia is the third largest gold producer, there's a lot of correlation with that. So usually they move like in sync. And I would say that, yeah, more than likely, probably it will. Especially because if gold drops, it means there's a lot of strength with the US dollar, the dollar index, and AUD against USD. If US dollar is going up, AUD will go down. Antonio Parker, Banks is real. I caught my first 50 pips of GJ with him. This is a skill set. Yes, sir. Louch TV says, what I want to know though, bro, how long can you compound your interest for? I mean, you can compound your interest as long as you don't withdraw it. Like, I mean, you know, it's a continuous thing. Like if you don't withdraw money, it's just gonna continue to snowball, right? Now, if you need to withdraw money, then, you know, have a plan to where whatever you make profit that week, maybe take half, or, you know, take 80% or 20%. Like you need to work out those numbers between you. Like, I mean, I don't know what your expenses are, right? Like, I can't tell you what to take out and what to, you know, that's going to be, you know, a personal thing for yourself. Omaba J, my network kicked me out and I missed the gold analysis. Can you do a 20-second recap? Oh my gosh, Jay. All right, brother, I got you. So it's marked up here. I sent out the analysis, and like I was saying, it's at, right now it's like at all-time highs. So it could be at a level of reversal. We have some space here to come and retest the current level of support on the 4-hour. So I did targets to the downside, and it was breaking out of this range as we speak. I had said we could get in. If you would have got in, I mean, you'd be in like 15 pips profit right now. But putting your stops above here where this little traffic is above this wick, just to give you some breathing room. If the price comes into this range, I would not trade it because it's within this range. If we start to go above here, then you have an opportunity to potentially come and take a trade in this level or this level. That's why I marked up those. So just kind of a recap for you. But it looks like since it's moving down, we have room to go down. It could be potentially coming to test this level of support like it's tested multiple times in the past. And that could be the little space, the little trade that you need. And I say little because it looks little on the screen, but really, I mean, this is potentially like 280 pips. So not a bad setup. Sent that out in the chat as well, so you guys have access to that. All right, I'm gonna grab. I'm not trading anything right now, guys. I'm in GJ. Like I said, I'm waiting for some support to be established, and then potentially taking a buy on this. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna grab a water real quick. All right, I'm back. Had to get some water. Damn, we're 13,400 likes on TikTok. Much love, much appreciation. Appreciate you guys. Thanks for sharing the stream. Thanks for the love, guys. Ebenezer says, bro, did you say you're not going to be live after this week? I'm going to do like 1 or 2 lives, guys, for like YouTube and TikTok a week. But the rest of the time, I'm going to be doing exclusive lives for my learner. If you want to be in those, guys, this is the last time you can get in at this price. It's doubling Friday when I drop the pre-sale for the course. The links for all of that are in the descriptions. You can join that. I know a lot of you guys already joined today, but the links and stuff are in the bio in the description of TikTok and YouTube. Angel, do you ever use fibs? I do not. I'm a price action trader, pattern trend trader, and I focus on price action and market structure. I don't trade. I don't use indicators. I don't use like fibs. Like, it's just not my style. But most of the time when I have like a setup, like, I mean, I know how to use fibs. I know the way it works. But even then, like, look at this. Like, going swing highs to swing low, you're still looking at the same rejection levels, right? Which is, I mean, to me, I think it's crazy. Like, even though that I don't use fibs, it still matches up. So like, I'm just so confident already in my analysis. I don't need the confirmation of a fib. Like, I am the fib. You know. But yeah, look how it smashed this level here. Like if we would have taken that buy, that target level, just smashed it right there. It looks like a little level of support here, right? Potentially, could be. See what the market does with it. Here, this is my man. EU. I already did EU, bro. Let's send out the chart. This is GBP JPY. I'm trying to go through some of these questions. Damn, I got a lot of you guys starting to follow me. I appreciate it. Much love. Much love. Which chat is this? The chart is GJ. What are you trading? I'm not in an active trade. Somebody's in there. I appreciate the love though, man. I'm getting like, you know what I appreciate now, guys? Like in TikTok goes crazy. YouTube, you guys are straight, but like in TikTok, like people come on here and start like talking trash like from the start, like brand new people I've never even seen. They're like, nah, like whatever, like Forex is a scam and blah blah blah. They must have, like, somebody hurt them or something, right? But my own TikTok followers like are in there like, stop hating, focus on your charts. Like like I appreciate you guys having my back, you know what I'm saying? Like much love. Yeah, see, the guy's like, another know nothing TikTok trader. Oh, that's funny, bro. Like, I mean, I think it's hilarious. Like, please, I want to learn. So Friday, when the course drops, the intro part is going to be free. So if you want access to that, jump into the link in my bio and there's a wait list. Sign up for that. The intro part, I'm saying this because there's people in my TikTok saying that they want to learn how to trade. This isn't for anyone. If you've taken a trade before in your life, don't pay attention to this. This is just intro to trading. I just talk about what the financial market of Forex is, how it works, who trades it, what times, what we're talking, like the terms and definitions, and you know, just a quick back history on it, and get you, like, show you like a tutorial how to sign up for a broker. That's what the intro to Forex to trading is. That one is completely free. I'm opening that up to everybody so all the newbies can get to at least the point of they can actually take a trade. And then the course itself is going to go into, you know, the technical stuff, my winning strategy stuff, you know, going from beginner, intermediate, and then advanced. And like I said, the structure for the course is going to be in lesson plans, and you have to go through the lesson and you have to get an 85% passing score on the assessment to go into the next lesson. Okay. The reason I'm doing that is because I don't want to just give you some videos and let you go on your way. I want you to learn. If you're going to make the commitment to invest in this for yourself, then I want to make sure that I'm doing everything possible to make sure you actually be successful in this, right? I'm not doing this so you can just take the video and don't learn anything. I want to make sure you guys are benefiting from it, learning, and the only way I can do that is through the assessments. Okay. All right. Let's see. What time frame this is on the 15? Why did you place upper support line right there? Upper support line? I'm not sure what you mean. Like this line, like this little box here. I mean, because there's this level of support here. Like, it's a small support on the 15-minute, but it still matters. Small supports matter. Like, you know, because price could, on this small time frame, come down here, retest this, and then come up. You know, it could do that. You know, I just mark it up to so visually, guys, you guys see this and we can pay attention to it, because like I said, since this blew up, I'm looking for a pullback. Now I don't think this level of support is pullback enough, but I want to make sure I pay attention to it. I'm not going to ignore it. Hopefully that makes sense. Talks about the arrow. I don't know what you're talking about. Arrow. Can we sell now? No, I mean, I'm not in an active trade, guys. Okay, thanks. You're welcome. GJ to 164.880. I mean, it's let's see here. Talking about, damn, you're talking about way the fuck up over here. Talking about what up here? I mean, that's a huge, I mean, 164.680, 164.880, sorry. That is like around I'm just marking this up so I can see what you're talking about. So this is, you're saying you think it'll go up here. I'm gonna look, I'm going on the 4 hour because otherwise I can't see the price because it's all the way back here in 2016. See, oh. Yeah, I mean, that's a good level. That's a good level on the 4 hour, but you know, from here where price is currently to move up there, look at this. There's this level here, right here, and I put it right there, right? The bodies of the candles, if it breaks that, then maybe, you know, we could see, I would probably put it just underneath there at 70. So this is the next level for you. If you're looking at this right now, which I mean, it's still flying up. Damn, look at that. What time is it? Damn, it's 3:17. Might not even get to jump. Look at that. Not even get to jump into a trade. Yeah, look at it. She's flying. From entry here, that's 169. It's already up like 100 pips from the break. Jesus, 105. All right. I think Will slap at the Oscars is affecting the market. Bro, I just seen that on Twitter. Like, was that like staged, like fake, or like was that real? Like, how did you guys see that? Like Will Smith slapping Chris Rock at the Oscars? Like, I couldn't tell if that was like fake or real. Like, I don't know, like if it was real or fake. I'm curious, so like, because it looked pretty real to me. Like, Chris Rock just smacked the crap out of him. It was real. You saw everybody was like he slapped him, and then like everyone was like, ha ha ha, like wait, was that real? And then everybody's like kind of like dying down laughter, looking at each other like, what's going on? Yeah, looking at the reaction looks real to me too. Yeah, like if you start looking at everybody's reaction in the room, like, I think that was like real. It was real. Otherwise, I extra checked. Yeah, man, that was crazy. That's funny though. Just trying to have some fun, guys. Like, we can talk about other things too. Like, I'm waiting on this. It's not gonna set up for me yet. Euro USD. Look, it's popping up here. And you can adjust our setup here, break above there. but we have like this could be coming up to retest this, right? The break above there. Oh no, I had moved it down. That's right. Oh, let me just do this. Boom. And I wouldn't even like these wicks. I would move this up here, to be honest, because of this level on Euro USD, USD CAD, still within the range. Gold, still in profits if you took that. GA, right now it's breaking below here, but remember, we're in this huge level of support, so be careful with that. You guys want to see any other charts? Give me a chart. Somebody give me a chart. Somebody give me a chart to look at. What do you want to look at? Whichever one has the most comments in the chat, I'll do next. Apple, I don't do stocks. I don't do stocks. I don't even think, like, I mean, just because I've never done like stocks, like I wonder if should we look at a stock chart and see if I can do some analysis on it. They said they wanted to see Apple. This is Apple stock, is it? Yeah. I mean, technicals should work too, right? But it's because there's a lot of manipulation with stocks. And I don't like that. I mean, technically we're at this, you know, coming up on this level here. But we've been, I mean, hella bullish. Look at this. I'm gonna give you guys a little cheat code too. Let's look at some EU. We already did EU, Euro, Swiss, US 30 or NAS. Okay, so you guys like US 30 and NASDAQ. I know. Usually I just do that during New York for my learn and earn. All right. I'm gonna delete this. Looking at top down, this is US 30. Level of support there. I mean, this thing has been hugely bullish. Came down, broke through, held level of support. Probably gonna come up to test this area here. Since we're breaking here, probably test these highs right here. And this is just to get an idea on the weekly. Let's see here. There's a consolidation here on US 30 past few days here. So looking to break out of this area here is going to be key. What the hell? Oh. Right. This little range, up or down. It's been going up, consolidating. It could break out here, and then we're looking at, you know, coming up. I would probably look at this area, and this area, but that's on the daily. So 4 hour. You see that consolidation area that it's in? 1 hour. Tops and bottoms. Nice little range. Do the 30-minute. Look at this. Got a nice little level here. Boom. Here's US 30, guys. There's US 30 for you guys, and there was this little, no, but I don't like that right there. No, this is good. Copy this, send it out to you guys in the chat, send it out to the Telegram. I love US 30. There's somebody in my TikTok asking who can fund my account. Miguel says, so how come you are waiting for a price reverse on GJ? I'm not waiting for a price reverse. I'm waiting for a pullback to create some support because this thing just completely flew up. You see this impulse move here? Whenever you're doing that, whenever you're seeing that, it's not good to get in like as it's moving here, because with every impulse move you're gonna see some retracement. So for me, seeing these big moves like this, I know that there's gonna be a candle pulling back. If we go back, like historically, just looking back to see when we have large volume candles, like you see pullbacks happening, right? And I'm talking about, like, let me give you an example here. See, that's not really big enough. Like, these are all smaller candles, but see, like, we have this pull up here and this pull back, right? So we've been pushing up, and I'm waiting for a pullback to create some support, and I marked this out because this could be it. GJ's going crazy. AUD USD. Yeah, I already did a oh no, I didn't do AUD USD. I can do that. Miguel says, right, I understand that, but GJ has been going up for a few days straight. Yeah, like that. I mean, when I do the breakout strategy is to go either way. Now it broke out here, but what happened was you see that there's no wick to the downside, and you see how large this volume is. For me, my first take profit level was not going to be worth the risk to reward. Risking 40 pips just for this level here, it wasn't in my favor, because first of all, this large candle here, I was expecting a bigger drawback, and I didn't want to jump in on a Monday for that. Like, in the sense of this being risk reward, it's okay, it's 1.46, almost 1.5, and it just continued to pump up, but this could have easily came back and retraced to retest this level. It didn't, it just flew up, okay? And that's just what happens. Like, this happens sometimes in the market. You got to be okay with making that decision, you know? So why not buy a swing up? Because what I'm doing is a live trade here till 4 a.m. and I'm just looking for a quick move. I'm not looking, this isn't for my intraday or swing trades. Like those, I'll send them out in the learn and earn. And you'll see where I say, oh, this is a swing trade, right? Congrats, guys. Congrats to guys that just jumped in here for the learn and earn. I did get you guys in here. I know you guys are jumping in, joining the learn and earn. The chat for that, the Discord chat, is still being set up, guys. Like I said, I was dealing with some technical issues. If you're looking to jump into the VIP learn and earn, it's the last time you can get it at 180. It's going up to 300. After the stream, I'm taking it down, so you can, I would jump in now if you're looking to get it at 180. Otherwise, it's going to be 300 on the next time I offer it, which probably won't be till at the end of April or something. And remember, the guys here are asking me, what do you get with learn and earn? So if you jump into learn and earn, the benefits for the learn and earns, you're going to get the trade ideas, the entries and the exits, the multiple take profit levels, London and New York session trades, intraday trades, swing trades, the breakdown analysis, the chart markups, and then you're going to get access to all the recorded and future webinars that I'm doing. You're going to get the VIP member pricing on all my courses. So the course goes on pre-sale on Friday. The pre-sale for everyone is going to be $250, but the Learn and Earn members are going to get a special price at $150, and then the course, once it's released for like public sale, it's going to be at $750. And additionally, the other benefits to the Learn and Earn is you guys are going to have access to, when I do the small account challenges, taking small accounts and flipping them, and when I do the prop firm funding challenges. So what we'll do is we'll do a funding challenge. We'll all do it together. We'll start on a certain date. I'll give you guys enough time to buy your account. We'll jump in, we'll pass it together, and you'll get funded. Just letting you guys know, because I had a couple of questions here on that. That's what you get on there. If you're looking to join that, the link is in my bio in the description. You can join that. Let's see here. AUD USD quick analysis. I'm late, sir. How's GJ doing? It flew up. Like, we missed this trade, and we didn't really miss this trade. It just didn't follow our rules. Like it did not follow my rules. Like, it broke out here, and I wasn't gonna do a 42 pip stop. It's massive. Like, usually on these quick trades, if I'm shooting for 10, 15, 20 pips, my stop should be around 20 pips. But this fucking massive ass candle just blew it out of the water, and it was just, the stop was too big, and I wasn't gonna take that. Because guys, it's Monday. Mondays are usually low volume days. Like, this is crazy. This usually happens like on Wednesdays, right? But the market's been crazy lately, so it is what it is. So would you guys rather I do lives on like Tuesday and Wednesday live on TikTok and YouTube, or would you guys like it on Wednesdays and Thursdays? Let me know, because I'm trying to figure out which days to do lives for you guys. This isn't for my Learn and Earn. The Learn and Earn is gonna get it all week, but I'm talking about just for YouTube and TikTok. Oh shit, look, I think we just broke a record. 15.5 15,500 likes. Tuesday, you guys like Tuesdays? So Tuesdays, Wednesdays, or Wednesdays, Thursdays? Either one of those. Live on TikTok Tuesday and Wednesday. Okay, so I got a couple for Tuesday, Wednesday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Tuesdays and Wednesdays. Okay. Tuesday, Wednesdays. That's what you guys want. We'll make it work. What was I gonna look at? I wanted to look at. Oh, somebody was talking about gold. Look, if you took that sell, you're in 40 plus pips. Yeah, I should have took the sell myself. The thing, look, it already hit the first take profit level. Congrats. Who took this gold? Who took this gold sell? Congrats if you took the gold sell. This was the setup I sent out. I sent this setup, guys, out in the YouTube chat. I sent it out in the Telegram chat. This was a sell you could have taken, and you would have, I mean, you've been up 4 pips or 40 pips right now. Labeled him. TikTok, you guys are crazy. I do label them when I send them out. But there TikTok. I'm in profit right now. Congrats. I took the sale very early. Nice. Congrats. In profits. Nice. Thanks, man. You're welcome. Most welcome. Much love. Yes, Banks did so. Nice. Congrats to those that took the sales. I didn't take it personally, but I did mark it up and I sent out the setup, and that thing is it already hit the first take profit level. Congrats to those that took it. GA 15-minute break and retest. GA 15-minute break and retest. I mean, you're talking about the retest being here, because this is not a retest. This is not a retest yet. This thing is still melting. Yeah, and I would, yeah, this thing is still melting. And remember, this is a huge level of support, like this 4-hour support, like massive. So I'd be careful here. But if you're following my breakout strategy, this thing would have broke out right here. You would have put, well, actually, I probably would have waited till this one here. Put my stops above here, about 22 pip stop. You know, probably target down here. We've been in drawdown right now, to be honest. I'm about 4 pips. You guys, oh, a label. God dang it, I always forget to label. TikTok is going crazy. They're like, label them, damn it. Sorry, man. Shit, I forget. Alright, there's GA, there's gold, this is USD CAD. Let me label this one before somebody freaks out. GJ goes again. Is it pumping up again? This is Euro USD. And GJ. Damn, look at GJ. Shit. It's gonna come at this level. This thing is just flying, dude. What's going on, man? What's happening in the world? Euro risk recession collapse below parity? Damn. Australia, New Zealand dollars bridge yield go to reach 7-year peaks on yen. Serio? Damn, dude. Yeah, I mean, honestly, like this just wasn't, like, if you don't feel comfortable with when the trade is like setting up like this, don't take it, because it's best not to. But yes, like, this was a move that played out. It would have played out. The direction we were going, the targets that we had, everything. So, but the thing is like, we can't, like, this right here is not going to stop me from trading tomorrow, next month, next year. Like, I'm going to continuously trade, understanding that, like, I'm not gonna worry about this opportunity, leaving this money on the table, because I know I'm gonna execute on the next opportunity, right? What's your take profit on gold? Gold, it already hit the first level. It's up like 56, 57 pips. The next take profit level is at 1926.41. The first take profit level was at 1929.549. If it breaks 1926, we're falling down to 1917, about 100 pips. And it's melting. Look at it, look at it, look at it go. Damn, who's making that money on gold right now? Jesus Christ, I should have took that freaking trade. Over here waiting for GJ. Gold played out perfectly. Jesus. It's nice. Damn, look, it's about to hit the second TP level here, bro. It's up about 70 pips. What's going? It's Monday, dude. Like, this never happens on Monday. There's not this kind of volume on Mondays, guys. Like I promise you, this is not. I was like, I mean, I'm surprised. I am surprised. Yeah, GJ's probably pushing up. Like, yeah, look at that. Hit the next TP level. This was Miguel. Look, this was the level I was telling you. 163.73. It's like hitting it right now. It breaks that, then we're going up to where you were talking about. Jesus, crazy. Nah, I'm not in a trade. I missed this GJ setup that's plain. Man, imagine if I'd have got into this. If I'd have got into this right here. Stops below. This is a strategy, right? Breakout. Put the stops below. Enter at the close. Target your levels. Right now, we'd be like 145 pips in profit. Jesus, that's what we missed out on. It's okay. It's okay. I'm not gonna chase a trade, and I'm not gonna try to make that up because that was a banger. Only reason why AU going up and gold dropping, don't they correlate? They do correlate, but it's not. That doesn't mean they have to every single time. Like for the most part, they will correlate. I don't know what the hell is AUD. Didn't I do analysis on this? Did I not do analysis on this? You guys want to do analysis on AU? We got about 20 minutes left. Damn, 17,000 likes. 17,000 likes on TikTok, guys. New record, guys. Like, much love. I really appreciate it, guys. I appreciate the love. You guys sharing the stream, much love. all right. Let's see here. Let's do AUD USD. Top down analysis real quick. Quick analysis. Well, I think we were doing it and then stopped, or what? Did we stop doing analysis on this? Like, that's crazy. Okay, let's just do it. Oh no, I was doing the showing you guys the line chart on how to do support and resistance. Yeah, that's what that was. Okay, so pushed up here. Ooh, we're breaking this weekly resistance here. Sheesh, we could be coming up to this next level up here if we're doing that. Man, that's gonna be nice. So we are bullish. Okay, first of all, daily. Look at the daily. Same thing on the daily. Pop it up here. Boom, boom. Yeah. What is going on here? Oh. Yeah, sorry, I'm getting messages over here. Guys, if you're having problems because your country making the payment on the Learn and Earn thing, choose the crypto payment. I'm accepting crypto now, so you can do the crypto payment. That I literally did the crypto payment for you guys because I got a bunch of messages from people in different countries that their cards were having issues or something. I don't know. Anyways, 4 hour AUD USD. Okay, there's the top. Let's look at the bottom here. Let's look at the bottom. And you know what? I'm gonna look at this here, and I'm not gonna pay attention to these peaks because I'll tell you guys in a bit. Watch. Let's go to 1 hour. Yeah. Cover that. Okay. 30 minutes. Look at this range right here. Serio? That's gonna be nice. Target. Oof. Break below that. This target here. Above. Shit, what am I? I mean, I can't really use that as. It's gonna be. It's because this candle hasn't closed, so this can't be a target for us. Like, I can't put this as a level of resistance because this candle hasn't closed. So I'm like, I don't have really anywhere to put this. I'm gonna just put it above the previous high because this is a level. This is at the top, so I mean it's the level of resistance here. So above that, really, let's look to the left. So yeah, right above that we have, see how that wick is there, and boom, and we'll target the tops of this. Boom. So there's your targets there. Okay, so now this has closed here, but I'm still gonna keep this above the weight there. All right. Boom, boom. There's the chart out, sending it out. There it goes in the chat in YouTube and sending it out to Telegram. This was for AUD USD. Okay, send it out in the Telegram, and let me go ahead and label this before everybody freaks out. AUD USD.
Hello, motherfucker.
Breakout, how we show else is a chart, 4 hour 2. I don't know what that means, bro. Let's see, gold. Hey, thanks for the sub, guys. Okay, so you see it almost came down to TP2 and it's rejecting. Small body on the candle, could be price exhaustion. We got about 15 minutes left on the stream, guys. 15 minutes left on the stream. Congrats whoever took this gold trade, you're in profit. USD hasn't executed. Euro USD is breaking out to the top here. This one would have been the entry. You would have taken above there, put your stops below here. Your first take profit would have been at 10 pips, so right about there. This is not going to matter because it is below there, and you would put this down here for your first, and then you would target the next level. You'd be in profits like 2 pips here if you would have taken the Euro USD setup. Euro USD. Damn, we're at 19,000 likes. 19.2 thousand likes. Appreciate it, guys. Thanks for sharing the stream. Thanks for the love. Thanks for the likes. Guys, if you're new here, welcome to Lord Banks FX. I'm your host, Lord Banks. I live trade Forex. And if you aren't subscribed yet, I would consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell. I know there's an option now on TikTok. If you go to my profile, hit the little dots in the right hand corner and turn on notifications for when I go live, because next week I will only be going live 2 days out of the week for TikTok. Damn, look at TP1 hit, boom. Who took Euro USD? 12 pips in profit, 13 pips in profit. That shit is flying. Yeah, congrats to man. I'm telling you, my strategy is fire, bro. Fire, bro. Fire. 16 pips in profit. Fire. Let me get some horns for that. Congrats to those who took that. Anyways, yeah, if you're new here, make sure you jump in and hit the notification bell. Does it normally take this long to send ETH to you? Honestly, I've only had like a couple of people send and they only sent Bitcoin. So I will double check it here in a minute. It shouldn't take long. Damn, look at this. It's about to hit TP2 30. Who took Euro USD? I sent this way ahead of time to you guys too, in the chat, in YouTube, and Telegram, man. There's no excuse, baby. Kids Famous took, oh, you took it? Nice. The market is going crazy. What do you think? Nice. Let's go, baby. I love to see you guys making money. Although I didn't take that trade, I love to see you guys make money. GJ going again. Let me see. Oh, jeez. Look at that. She's flying, bro. That's like 200 pips, man. I should have fucking took it. Damn it. That's on me, guys. It's all good. Shake it off. Remember, guys, any day that we don't lose money in the market is a win. Right now, I wish I'd have caught this, guys, for you guys. But and here's the thing. Here's the setup. Breakout, jump in, put your stops below, and it would have been right now in about 180 pips in profit. Whew. It's all good, baby. Damn, we're 100 likes away from 20,000 likes. New record on TikTok. Wow. Appreciate you guys. Much love, much love. Much love. Yeah, as soon as I get off the live, guys, in 10 minutes, the lifetime offer promo is going away. So one-time payment for 180 bucks. Like, when I offer it again, it'll be next month at the end of April, but it'll be at 300. And then the monthly is at 50 right now, and that's gonna go up to 100 because on Friday the pre-sale goes live for the course. Yeah. Will you be entering a trade before the live end? No, it doesn't look like it, man. It's 10 minutes left. It does not look like it. Like, I'm not. This is. I can't. There's not. I can't jump into anything here. Like, look, it's just flying, dude. Like, it is what it is. We just have to watch and admire it. There's not much I can do on this one. Like, I mean, I had all intentions to jump in, but because of the way this candle formed and closed, I didn't like it. It was too big. It didn't have a wick, and I said it's Monday. So with those exceptions and being it Monday, I said no, because traditionally, guys, Monday, you can't, like, Mondays are low volume days. Like, it's the beginning of the week. So I did not feel comfortable with that. And I said, no, I'm not going to jump in. But traditionally, if this was like a Wednesday and I saw this candle, I'd be like, yeah, it's Wednesday. There's volume in the market. It's during the middle of the week. Like, I know there's no wick to the bottom and it's a big candle, but it's Wednesday. So I would have taken it, right? You know, oh, yo, the people that were sending me a crypto payment that was having a problem just messaged me on Instagram, and we can look at that because I want to make sure that you get in. Yeah, so I know because there's some people here that messaged me. Damn, 22,500 likes. Wow, you guys are crazy. Miguel, hey Lord, can you tell me what taxes do you have to pay in Texas? Is it 40%? So I have my stuff under an S corp, so I pay different taxes. I pay employment taxes and corporate taxes. So then I have my own personal taxes. Like, I basically hired myself out of my company, and all my money gets funneled through my S corp. I would highly suggest get a CPA, get a tax attorney, and do that. I'm only saying this because, trust me, I already went. I tried to do things myself when I started out. Let me back up. I would only look at doing an S corp once you're making 50 grand. If you're making 50 grand a year, you need to get an S corp, get your LLC set up, elect S corp tax status, and have a CPA and tax attorney set your stuff up. Okay, if you're making less than 50 grand, I mean, you're gonna just pay capital gains tax on it. It's just income that you're making, and that's only really gonna be reported when you send it to yourself as crypto, like in Coinbase will send you like a tax document. So, but highly suggest once you start making over 50 grand a year, don't fuck around. Get yourself, pay the money for the CPA and the tax attorney. Trust me, I try to do it myself, and the IRS came swiftly, and like I got audited by the IRS, and they came after me for like 80 grand, and it was just. Don't fuck with them, man. That's the U.S. mafia, bro. Like, I despise it, but it is what it is. You gotta pay your dues and just do it, man. Like, you made the money, just pay the taxes, man. But if you set up the way you can set up your tax structure, there's tax strategies that you can do and utilize to gain maximum benefit, to be able to like have less tax responsibility. Okay. The way my tax attorney tells me, he says, he tells me, listen, it's illegal to avoid taxes. It's not illegal to what did he say? Damn, I forgot how he said it. I forgot how he said. I forgot how he said, but I mean, that's how he told me, because I was like looking for a tax attorney and I was like going to different people, and he said this statement, and I was like, man, like I'm like, this guy right here is the guy I'm going with. But things is what I was asking. Do you know if it's the same in other states? I have no idea. I'm in Texas, and Texas, we only pay federal, so we don't pay state taxes. Like we just focused on the federal. Okay. So I also I'm not a tax expert, but if you're in other states, you can set up a corporation in Texas. Okay. You don't have to live in the state to be able to set up a corporation in the state. And if you're funneling your revenue through your corporation is what's liable for the taxes. You'll be liable for your personal taxes, because basically what it is like, it's like I have a company that all the money that I make goes to the company, and then I am like an employee of my company. So my company pays me every week, right? But it just pays me a reasonable salary, right? And then my money actually comes in the form of owner distribution or owner payouts, where owners get like the profits, like the profit split. Well, there's not a split in mine because it's just my company, but the profit that you make from the company gets paid out in a different form of payout. They come out as like bonuses every quarter. So like my employment to my company payout is a reasonable salary, and I'm telling you in like quotations because it's just, you know, what market average is. Like I'm not paying myself this abnormal amount salary. I'm paying myself in like just what's the market average for this position, right? Because the thing is my payouts, my real money comes in the form of owner distributions, right? Because that is not, it's taxed. It's not taxed to me because it's taxed to the company as profits for the company, and that taxation rate is way less than whether it was personal, right? And I'm not trying to get into all the technicals here with taxes because I'm not a tax expert. Go find a tax person. Don't rely on this. I'm just telling you how my shit is set up. So that's just my points on that, guys. We have about 2 minutes left in the stream. Anyone with this Telegram, yeah, my Telegram is in the bio. If you click on the link in the bio, and I'll put it up here for you guys, because I know I'm about to turn off the live time and you guys are still trying to get in here. And I know you guys are gonna be mad. All right, look. Look, if you go to this link, all the links are in there. Okay, go to the link on the screen. The link for the Telegram is in there. The VIP Telegram is in there. The last time, guys, 180. I'm turning it off when I get off the stream, and then you're not going to be able to get it at that price anymore. The benefits of the Learn and Earn. One more time, you get trade ideas, entries and exits, multiple TP levels, London and New York sessions, intraday trade swings, swing trading, the breakdown analysis of chart markups. The bonus to that, you're going to have access to all the recorded and future webinars. You're going to get VIP member pricing on all the courses. You're going to have private Q&A Discord chat, so where you can communicate with me and anybody else in the Learn and Earn. Exclusive live trading next week. I'm only going to do 2 live streams for TikTok and YouTube, and then the other live streams is going to be strictly for my Learn and Earn people. And then the coming soon benefits is small account challenges, where I'm flipping small accounts, and then we're going to do a prop firm funding challenge where I'll do the funding with you guys, take you guys from start to finish. I'll give you time to buy a funding account, and then we'll all do it together, pass the challenge together, and that's going to be part of the Learn and Earn. For the course, the pre-sale starts on Friday. Pre-sale is going to be at $250. You're only going to have access to pre-sale if you're on the wait list. The link to the wait list is also on the screen. Learn and Earn is going to get the special pricing. If you're part of the Learn and Earn, you get it at $150. And the course for the public, once it goes on sale, like to the public, is going to be $750. So it's beneficial for you guys to get the pre-sale for a lot less. I mean, it's $500 less basically, and then if you're in the Learn and Earn, you're going to get it at $150. So definitely some benefits in there. Yeah, so it is 4 a.m. guys. I'm gonna jump. I do have the monthly. If you're looking at the monthly, Friday right now it's at $50 a month. You pay $50 a month for the monthly, but on Friday it's gonna go up to $100 a month. So those are just some changes that are coming. It's just because the things that I'm providing in the Learn and Earn. It's always growing. I'm always looking to provide some additional information here for you guys. Yo, Banks, I just did a ETH transfer to you, but it was taking way too long, so I did a bank transfer instead, and I'm kind of wondering if the ETH transaction will get canceled. Message me on IG, and I will look into it with your transaction number, and I'll cancel either one, whichever one. If it's already processed, the card, then I'll just go ahead and cancel the ETH and send it back to you, or vice versa for the card, right? Like I'll make sure you only get charged once. I'm not trying to double charge you here if you already charged once. So anyways, it is 4 o'clock guys, 4 a.m. So I'm gonna go ahead, jump off and get ready. Gotta go to the gym, and then I'll be on for New York session. All my Learn and Earn members, watch out for the signals, because I'm gonna send out some setups and some signals for things that I've been looking at offline here, waiting for some setups, some price setups. And yeah, let's get it. Let's have a phenomenal week. Hey, thanks guys for all the love. 25,400 likes on TikTok. We have tons of shares, tons of likes, tons of comments. I appreciate you guys. Much love for showing up and spending your Monday morning with me. London session, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, peace.